Veteran Day at the VA hospital always give me the blues. I call it the Kecoughtan blues. My brothers are still lying in there after all these years. Your fathers are still crying in there after all their tears. We still remember, even though you try to forget, the bloodshed, the terror, the senselessness of it. You stick some in the corner, still others in the hall, and they're lying in there, they're dying in there. Don't you care at all? My brother, he was still shaking as he hobbled up to me. Were you at Way or Cantien? I was in the Z. His hands shook and his back was bent as he tried to stand erect. Them scars he carries on twisted legs, brother, look like railroad tracks. You stick some in the corner and others in the hall, and they're dying in there, they're dying in there. Don't you care at all? Tell me, buddy, another one said, why did we go to war? To kill ourselves, to thrill ourselves, to find out what life is for. Well, that's what we did when we was kids, he joked from his wheelchair. Them scars he carries on twisted legs, brother. It ain't fair. They stick some in the corner, still others in the hall, and they're lying in there and they're dying in there. Don't you care at all?